Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you a simple design using chrome powder. So as always I need to start with nail prep, and today I'm gonna use this cuticle pusher. Remember, using metal tools can be very dangerous, so be careful so you won't hurt yourself. After that, I'm gonna go in with my cuticle bit to get up any dead skin from around my nails and also from the nail plates itself. So here you can see how the skin has lifted up, and now I can go in with my nippers to cut it off. When this is done, I like to go in with my ball bit to smooth everything out. Now it looks much better, but I still need to take away the shine from my nails. And I'm gonna do this using my e-file and a soft grit sanding band on low RPMs. Now you can clearly see the difference, and I'm just gonna wipe off the dust with some alcohol. And then I can move on to fixing the shape of my nails. Now my nails are prepped and ready for some nail forms, and if you want to see step by step how I put them on, go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss a full video on that whenever I post it. As always, I'm starting off with a primer, because then I'm gonna apply 2 coats of base gel to even out my nail. Of course, I'm gonna cure in between each layer. And now I can start building the nail. And I wanted you guys to be able to see everything I'm doing, so for today I just picked this pink cover gel. I know this part takes ages, but that's actually because I'm right-handed, so right now I'm using my non-dominant hand, so it's much harder for me. To prevent the gel from running all over the place, I turn my hand upside down. And then I can cure it for around 20 seconds, and that's just because then I'm gonna clamp it to get a better shape. And of course, after clamping, I still need to cure it for the remaining time. And when all my nails are done, I need to wipe off the sticky layer. Now I can start shaping my nails with a hand file. And then I decided these are a bit too long for me, so I need to cut them, and then I can get back to shaping. And of course I did the same thing to the rest of my nails. And now I'm just gonna remove the dust again. As you can see, I actually left out the ring finger longer just for fun. I need to add some more gel, so just to be safe I'm applying more primer, and then I'm ready to add more product. Of course, when I get some on my skin, I need to wipe it off. holding my hand upside down for a moment, and then I'm ready to cure. They look great already. Moving on, I'm gonna paint my nails black except for the ring finger. After wiping them off, I can move on to painting my ring finger blue as a background for the blue glitter. Now I'm gonna use this chrome powder, and to make it work, I first need to apply top coat to my nails and of course cure it. I'm just gonna use Q-tip to rub the powder onto my nail. When this is done, I can remove the leftover powder with some fluffy brush. And then I can seal it all in with the top coat. And this is how it looks so far. For the ring finger, I'm also gonna start with the top coat, but I'm not gonna cure it right away. I'm gonna use this type of cuticle pusher as a spoon for my glitter, and then I can just easily pour it onto the wet gel. As you can see, I actually have a piece of paper underneath my hand to catch the glitter, and that way I'm not gonna waste any because I'm gonna be able to pour it into the container. After curing, I can wipe off the loose glitter with the brush. And then I can seal it all in with a generous amount of top coat. Clean up if I need to, and after curing we can move on to the cuticle oil. And this is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!